Hi there. I'd like to introduce the Avant 860i loader, now available from TVE Hire and Sales. The Avant 860i boasts an impressive lifting capacity and a telescopic boom. Reaching high places has never been easier. But here's where it gets really cool: the articulated cab. This feature gives you unparalleled visibility and maneuverability, letting you navigate tight spaces with precision. The Stage 5 engine delivers serious power while keeping emissions down. And with optimized hydraulics, you'll enjoy smooth, responsive control. Comfort matters, right? The spacious cab and intuitive controls keep you going strong all day. Plus, its all-wheel drive and the sheer range of attachments mean the 860i is ready for absolutely anything. It's the ultimate machine for versatility and efficiency. At TVE we care. We put huge effort into ensuring that we not only deliver Avant machines, but into making sure that our service quality and parts provision are second to none. This is why it matters to us when we receive great feedback from customers. Jason, our service engineer, recently serviced an Avant 860i for John Turrell. We were delighted to receive feedback from John, who said, "Jason has just finished servicing the Avant. He was excellent, very thorough, and very professional, and talked us through the whole machine. Please pass on my comments to the boss. Thanks for your help, John." Thank you, John, and thank you, Jason. To find out more, contact Matt at TVE Hire and Sales, and he will be happy to give you more information and set up a demonstration.